Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen to prepare a healthy and balanced meal? Vegan meal replacement shakes might be the solution you're looking for. In this video, we will explore the common ingredients found in vegan meal replacement shakes, so you can make an informed decision. Let's dive in. Protein is an essential nutrient in any meal replacement shake. Vegan options often include ingredients like pea protein, brown rice protein, and hemp protein. These plant-based proteins are not only rich in amino acids, but also easily digestible. They provide the necessary building blocks for muscle repair and growth. Healthy fats are another crucial component of vegan meal replacement shakes. Ingredients like almond butter, coconut oil, and flaxseed provide a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and reducing inflammation. They also help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Fiber is important for regulating digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness. Many vegan meal replacement shakes include fiber-rich ingredients like chia seeds, oats, and psyllium husk. These ingredients not only aid in digestion, but also support a healthy gut microbiome. To ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients, vegan meal replacement shakes often contain a blend of vitamins and minerals. Look for ingredients like spirulina, kale, and spinach, which are rich in antioxidants, iron, and calcium. These nutrients support overall health and well-being. While it's important to have a nutritious shake, taste is also crucial. Vegan meal replacement shakes often include natural sweeteners like dates, maple syrup, or stevia. Flavorings such as vanilla or cacao powder can also add a delicious twist to your shake. Now you're equipped with the knowledge of common ingredients found in vegan meal replacement shakes. Whether you're looking for a quick and convenient meal or a post-workout refuel, these shakes can provide a nutritious option. Experiment with different ingredients and find the perfect shake for your needs. Cheers to good health.